So we don't want to tighten this up fully, because basically if your hook is not sitting nice and vertical like this, if you try and turn it back again, you will actually, or you run the risk of actually unscrewing the metal plug as well. It's very difficult at a certain point to only unscrew the hook itself. So we're nice and sort of secure there, and we're nice and upright. So what we'll do now is we can take our cloud, and the best way really to handle it once it's out the packaging is literally to hold it by its wires. So if you remember, we're going to hold this main loop. So that's the one that's going to hang off this particular cup hook. So we're going to put that in place. Now, all I'm going to do is literally just pop that up there and let it sit. And then we need to work out where we want this second wire to sit. And I just for that need my hook for a moment. So with my second hook, I want to look for a place where this loop is going to sit comfortably on here. I'm not stretching it too far, and equally I've not got it so close to the other one that it's going to pop straight back off of the hook. So I need to find that position. So if I put that at around that sort of position, you can see that that's not going to jump back off. So we can safely place our second fixing. So I'm just going to make a little mark in the ceiling, and obviously not to get our cloud dirty, I'm just going to lift that off again. And if I drill my second fixing, again quite slowly near the end, so that you can just nip that into the surface of the ceiling without going too far in. And then exactly the same principle, gently screw the hook in to the point at which you've got a good amount of thread in there, but you're not actually going to force it back out again. So there we are, we've got our hook in. Now, just double check that we've got that right. So there is our main one, there is our safety line. I'm just lifting that onto there. Okay, so you can see that basically that's going to sit on there, it's going to stay on the hook. Now on a ceiling like this, where you have a slope on the ceiling, what we try to do is actually put the cloud horizontal. Sorry, not horizontal at all. we put it in the same plane as our ceiling, so we try and get it parallel with the ceiling surface. Okay, and then you have minor adjustment here, that you can turn the hook in a bit if the cloud's twisting, or you can turn out the other direction, but you can then actually make sure that your cloud is sitting beautifully, and this is where your person on the ground will come in handy in helping you make sure that you've lined this all up and got it correct. Okay, I'm going to lift this off, and I'll just look at the strength of the fixing that we've just put up as well, because lots of people are very concerned about the idea of using just a plasterboard fixing. So I'm going to lift that off of there, and then I'm going to use this hanging scale, which just happened to be set there, and I'll just show you. I'll just nip that up one more turn. And okay, so our clouds weigh between 5 and 5.5 kilos. They're normally about 5.5, or they're nearer the 5.5. The slight difference is depending on the amount of moisture in the wool. So if I pull on this scale, okay, so there's our 5 kilo mark. Okay, and I'm going to keep pulling on that, and we're now around 10 kilos, and I'm just holding that steady at 10 kilos, and hopefully this isn't about to ping. There we go. So there we go. I'm going right the way round now, and I'm now 11.5 kilos, and the fixing hopefully you can see it's still absolutely solid in there. No difficulty at all with that.